Our company is Brothers Moving and Storage. We have location in West Texas, the Midland, Odessa area. And then 2 years ago, we opened up a branch in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Of course, started out just renting trucks, grassroots, man. We were just a small company, just like a lot of other companies, starting out day to day, didn't know if we we're gonna have a job the next day. So we have grown over, getting ready to start our 8th year. So we've grown to 7 trucks, 2 pack vans, and then 2 warehouses, one in West Texas, one in the DFW area. So we had like 3 to 5 guys that I knew would show up. Beyond that, it was really just a shot in the dark. So we were able to grow from that to now we've got about 22 guys and gals between the 2 offices, field staff, not including our office staff. Huge component to being able to grow that has been move up. The investment versus the reward are way lopsided, and let me explain that. So what we spend versus what we get is to our benefit 1,000%. For what we pay per month for the 2 locations, and then for the reward, it's pennies on the dollar. The investment versus the ROI is insurmountable.